الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء وبناتي طلاب الأعزاء طلبة الصف الثالث الإعدادي لغات، ازيكم يا أبنائي؟ عاملين إيه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. إن شاء الله هنحل نماذج استرشادية، نماذج الوزارة العام الدراسي 2026 مادة الماثيماتكس. question number 1. نبدأ مع بعض كده في الألجبرا. sum of two square roots of number 4 equal. The result will be 0 because first square root of 4 will be 2 and second will be negative 2. We have positive or negative square root of 4 equal positive or negative 2. Then 2 plus negative 2, the summation between together is 0. Choose letter E. Next question. If x over 3 equal y over 5 equivalent, then 5x over 3y equal. We can product here numerator by denominator about second term. The product of extremes equal product of means. X over 3 equal y over 5, then 3y equal 5x. They are equivalent. Then if we divide it together, the result will be 1. Shows letter C. Next question. If 2 points are equivalent, then x minus 1 will be equal 8, the first projection equal first projection, second equal second. 11 equal y plus 3, then the value of y equal 8, and then x will be 9. Then he won't find x minus y, then we have 9 minus 8 equal 1. The difference will be 1. Choose letter A. Next question. Answer the following question. If y directly change with x, y directly change as x, and y equals 6 when x equals 3. Find the relation between x and y. We can put here constant like m and m not equal 0. So y equal mx. He gives me this information, y equals 6 when x equals 3, then we can put here the value of y, 6, equal m product by value of x was 3, the value of m, 6 divided by 3 is 2, the value of m equal 2. The relation between y and x, y equal to x. Next, question number 1. Question number 2, finds the value of y when x equals 1. Y will be equal 2 times 1 equal 2 when x equal 1. Put the value of x equal 1, 2 times 1 equal 2. And the result will be 2. Y will be 2. Next question. Question 3. First choose the correct answer. If a function when f equal 4 and 3, 5 and 6, 9 and 3, the range of the function equals second projection 3 and 6 and 3 only, 1 right here, 3 and 6. Choose letter D. If the point x and 7 lies on y-axis, it's meaning x will be 0, then the point will be 0 and 7. Pointing to the function f of x, and satisfies the function. So if x plus 1 will be equal what? We put the value of x equal 0. In 5 times 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So the point x and 7 lies on y-axis, it's meaning x will be 0. So 5x plus 1 equal 5 times 0, 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then the result will be 1. Multiplicative inverse of the number here, 3 power negative 2, it will be 3 power 2 is 9, because 3 power negative 2 is 1 over 3 power 2 equal 1 over 9. Then the multiplicative inverse of 3 power negative 2, it will be reciprocal about this number, it will be 9. Then the multiplicative inverse will be 9, choose letter C. Next question. If e over 4 equal b over 5 equal c over 3, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. We can put the constant here. E over 4 was equal to b over 5 equal c over 3. I will put the constant k, and k not equal 0, then the value of e equal 4k and the value of b 5k and c equals 3k. So you would find e subtract p plus c over e plus b minus c. E was 4k, subtract b 5k, plus c was 3k, over e minus b, e here 4k, plus b 5k, minus c 3k. 4 minus 5 negative 1 plus 3 is 2. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 minus 3 6. And the result will be 1 over 3. The left hand side will be equal right hand side equal 1 over 3. Next question. First, choose the correct answer. If x times y equals 7, we want to find the relation between x and y. X times y equals 7, then x equals 7 over y. Then x, we have relation between x and y. X and y, we can write here with the relation here. It's error. طبعا الحل بتاعنا هنا بيكون multiplicative inverse. هنا inverse relation عندي يعني متبقاش direct، لأن هنا x times y equals 7. Then x equals 7 over y. Then x direct with 1 over y. The variation with y and x. طبعا ال x وال y شايف كده لازم تبقى تحت في الدوميريتور، فمينفعش كده، فهناخد ايه error خطأ. طبعا المفروض ان يبقى الحل بتاعي 1 over y، لان هنا الريليشن اللي عندي بتكون verse between ال x and y، يعني المفروض اكتب 1 over y. يعني error خطأ. الإجابات طبعا يعني مفروض هو هنا في حاجة خطأ في الإكزامبل، المفروض هو كان يجيب لك 1 over y خلاص، أو هنا 1 over x، يبقى هنا ال x 1 over y، يبقى هنا ال y relation with x، يعني 1 over x خلاص. في الامتحان إن شاء الله 1 over x خلاص، يبقى هنا y direct with 1 over x. Space is the simplest and easiest method to measure dispersion. طبعا من أبسط وأسهل الطرق لقياس الميجر dispersion. عندي هنا range. The answer will be letter C. Next question. F of x equal 5x minus 7, then f of 3 equal, put the value of x equal 3. We have f of x was equal 5x minus 7, then f of 3 equals 3 times 5 minus 7. 3 times 5, 15 minus 7 equal 8. Then the answer will be 8. Next question. So the following question. We have x and y. We want to find the relation between x and y. A equal half of b. يعني انت عندك هنا ال x هتاخدها تبقى half للإليمنت الموجودة في الواي. هنا 2 half of 4, 3 half of 6, and 4 half of 8. The relation here, we can draw a diagram. We have x and y. The element of x we have 2, 3, and 4, and y was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 is 4, 3 was 6, and 4 was 8. If is R a function not? Yes, R is a function. Why? Because each element in X has only one image in R. Okay, next question. If B is the middle proportion between E and C, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. We have B is the middle proportional between A and C, then A over B equal B over C equal constant K, and K not equal 0. Then the value of A equal CK power 2 and the value of B equal CK. So we have left hand side here A power 2 plus B power 2 over B power 2 plus C power 2. A we have CK power 2 power, it will be C power 2, K power 4 plus B power 2, it will be C power 2, K power 2 over B power 2. We have C power 2, K power 2 plus C power 2. You can write list multiplication up. We have C power 2, K power 2, divided will be K power 2, and divided it will be 1. Down we can write C power 2, divided term by this will be K power 2 plus 1. We can simplify expression by expression. The result will be K power 2. And right hand side equal A over C. The value of A equal CK power 2 over C. The result will be K power 2. Then they are equivalent. Left hand side equal right hand side. They are equal to. Next question. If f of x equal x power 2 minus 1 and x polling to negative 2 to 2, while the vertex of the function and minimum value of the function. First step, we have table like this, x and the image f of x. We can start from negative 2 to 2, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1 and 2. Put here negative 2. طبعا ممكن تستخدم الكالكوليتر، تختار المود اللي عندك وتفتح هنا التيبل اللي هو number 7، تختار number 7 and then write the function x power 2 minus 1. Write x power 2 alpha x power 2 minus 1 and write equal to, and then he asked you start from what? Start from negative 2 and write equal and the end 2, and he will draw the table here, negative 2 with 3 and 0, negative 1, 0 and 3. Now I will draw the function x-axis and y-axis perpendicular. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 2 to 3, negative 1 with 0, 0 with negative 1, 1 with 0, 2 and 3, and then draw the curve like this. He will find number 1 the vertex here, it will be 0 and negative 1. It's the vertex. Number 2, it will be minimum at y equal negative 1. Understood? Next question. Find the number which is added to terms. The ratio will be 2 to 3. We will put the number, that number will be x. We have 7 over 11 plus x here and the plus x equal to 2 over 3, and then product the product of extremes equal product of means. 3 times 7 plus x equal 2 product by 11 plus x. 3 times 7 is 21 and 3 times x equals 3x. 2 times 11 22, 2 times x equal 2x, 3x subtract by 2x equal x, and 21 subtract from 22 equal 1. And then the number will be equal 1. Next question. Find arithmetic mean and standard deviation of the values here. First step, we can find x bar, summation 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 15 plus 16 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use calculator to find the total number. We have 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 15 plus 16. 85 divided by 5 equals 17. And then draw the table contains of 3 vertical x and x subtract by x bar and subtract x bar or power 2. We have the element here 17, 18, 19, 15 and 16. 17 minus 17 0, power 2 0. 18 minus 17 1, power 2 1. 19 subtract by 17 equal 2, 2 power 2 is 4. 15 minus 17 negative 2, power 2 4. 16 minus 7 negative 1, power 1. And then we can find the summation about 0 plus 1, 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10 over the number of elements. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The result will be square root of 2. The result will be 1.414. Easy question to find the answer. Next question. طيب كده خلصنا الموديل اللي معانا. ان شاء الله المرة الجاية كل فيديو يبقى موديل لوحده بإذن الله.